Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube, and we have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Friday morning. Kathy's actually going to be running up to Denver to hang out with a YouTube friend of ours, Chelsea, over at Monarch Alley. So yeah, she's going to be running up there. We're going to go ahead and do our What's Sold a little bit earlier in the day, so she has time to go spend some time with Chelsea. So I'm going to turn it over to Kathy, and we're going to see what's sold today.
Hey guys, I just got another sale, but they haven't paid yet, so we'll see if they do by the end of this. First up today, a pair of dance toes. Oh. Right. So these are just some Dansko suede blue sneakers. I picked these up at the after jury duty haul at the downtown thrift store, so all the shoes were $4. So $4 in. They sold for $31.11. Free shipping, and shipping's going to be a padded flat rate, so $7.76. I feel like I'm talking weird because I have gum in my mouth.
You want to spit your gum out?
Not really, because I really want the gum. All right, CP. I sold these Keens. These I have $7.99 into. They took a little bit to sell. These sell really well, generally like in the winter, but I got them like in May or something, so they did sell, and they sold for $26.66 plus shipping. So all in, the buyer's close to $40 all in. That's about what these usually go for. So $7.99 into $26.66.
Reese's down here laying in the sun.
Lucky guy. Not really. I hate this. Just kidding. Alright. I sold these Nike sneakers for $26.66 plus ship also. These ones I got at the JBF sale for $6.56. Of men's Carhartt like cargo pants. They sold for $29 plus shipping. I have $7.99 into those. Alright, and then AQ. These are some, so the brand is, I'm not sure, I think it's Shimano. So it's normally like those bike shoes, the bicycle shoes that you like put your feet into your bike. I don't even know how those work. So
gotcha.
These ones,
Cycling.
that brand generally is those kind of shoes. So I usually pass them just because I don't understand them. Like,
Right.
I don't know if you need a specific bike or what. Like, I don't know how I would list those. So anyways, I'm sure those sell well too, but I usually pass on those. If anyone can explain to me how bike shoes work, that'd be awesome. But yeah, these ones did not have like anything like that. They're just almost like a skater shoe.
Okay.
So they were in really, really good shape. I paid $7.99 for them. They just sold on Mercari this morning for $50 plus shipping, and fairly quickly. I think they've been listed less than a week. So really awesome. Someone on Facebook offered me $20 for them just a few days ago. So yeah, I didn't even respond to that one. This is the brand The Great. So this came from my Denver Benz haul with Amber and Greg. I have $1.96 into it. It sold for $40. That was an offer someone sent me. This brand is so expensive retail. I think it retailed for like $185 just for a sweatshirt. It's nuts. So yeah.
And it's like not even like a full sweatshirt, right? It's like a crop top or something.
It looked like a crop shirt. It's just gray. I mean, it has like a bow detail, but other than that was like it. It doesn't have any amazing features in my opinion. So $40 I was happy with. Honestly, it probably could have sold for more, but when I paid $2, someone's offering me $40. I'm gonna pretty much take that every time.
Yeah.
So all right. I think 3 pairs of shoes are gonna be actually in here. I should have put those out first. These are basically what I recently listed. So these ones. first pair are gonna be these Merrell barefoot like vapor glove sneakers. I just listed these yesterday. Listed them at $59. Posher VA sent the offer of $47 with discount shipping, and the buyer accepted. So awesome sale there. I averaged my cost of goods this day, so my cost of goods on those was $10.16, even though these were probably like $5.99. And then same with these Birkenstocks. So these both came from that same day. So I have $10.16 into each pair, even though these were like $4.99. I don't know why it bugs me. I know all the shoes
the average
are the same.
Yeah.
Like, because I bought a couple of pairs of like, I think $20 shoes this day. So it brought my average up, but
yeah.
It's okay. So these two pairs of Birkenstocks actually sold together to our viewer and friend Destiny.
Oh.
So she bundled them, offered me $50. Well, she made sure that wasn't going to offend me first, which it definitely didn't. So thank you, Destiny. I had them listed at $39, but yeah, obviously I don't expect to get my list price on pretty much anything on Posh.
Yeah.
So $50. I hadn't cross-posted them yet. She saved me time there. Plus, she's been a great sport.
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
Definitely happy to accept that offer. So Destiny, thank you so much. Still waiting on that baby to arrive.
And we're excited to find out.
Yep.
And yeah, thank you so much for all the support, Destiny. We appreciate it.
And I sold these a Bio sandals. Picked these up at that new thrift store in town for $5.97. Sold them on Facebook for $20 plus shipping. Right, and then CZ. This is just the brand. Oh, I have a sticker there because this is a puffy sweater that popped the seam.
Oh, yeah.
So, I actually just listed this a couple days ago. This was a personal sweater of mine. I bought it off ThredUp like last year for $17.99. I wore it a couple times. It's 100% wool, so it was just too itchy for me. So I listed it for, I think, $35 plus shipping. Got an offer, or maybe I listed at like $30 plus shipping. I got an offer of $23 and I accepted because I just wanted to make my money back, and I did. And then last but not least, box J. Well, actually there was another sale.
Yeah.
What am I looking for? This is the brand Masala Baby. This is my first time selling this brand, and this actually was something I got for free from that family friend. So I have nothing into it. Someone offered me $20 and I just accepted because $16 profit to me. So yeah, let me grab my phones. That Harley shirt, it was a Harley shirt. So Chris, as I was doing my labels,
I remember where it's at. It's right here.
yeah, so I was gonna just go there. The buyer asked a question about it, so we got it out, took another photo, sent it to him, and then he bought it. So.
In box D.
Yeah. So it's this Harley Davidson button front shirt. So I called it, you'll see on the screenshots, denim snap front shirt. And he messaged asking, are those buttons or snaps? With a whole bunch of exclamation points and question marks. So we pulled it out, showed him like a close-up picture of the snaps. They are like snaps versus like pulling them through a buttonhole. So once he saw that, he said, awesome! And I bought it right away. Yeah. So I'm trying to figure out what the actual... It doesn't really show them out on my phone that well. 29, yeah. So $29.99 plus shipping. I think plus shipping. I hope plus shipping. Yeah, plus shipping. So I have $10.67 into all these shirts and sold it for $30 plus ship.
Very nice. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get working on getting the stuff all packed up. Are you ready to help, Reese? Are you just gonna sleep? Enjoying the sun. We'll be right back. All right, got that all packed up, ready to go. The lighting was all weird. And Kathy's ready to head up to Denver to spend a couple hours or an hour or so with Chelsea Monarch Alley.
Whole bunch of hours with myself.
Yeah, she's gonna spend the rest of the day mostly up there thrifting and sourcing along the way and all that kind of stuff. So
yep, should make for a good haul video.
Yeah, haul video. So stay tuned for that haul video, and be sure to go check out Chelsea over at Monarch Alley on YouTube. And yeah, hopefully she finds some good stuff. And is she trying to thrift along the way to help pay for her trip a little bit?
I'm not sure. I think they were coming anyways. I think she was having a wedding.
Here for a wedding, that's right. Anyway, that's going to do it for today. We're going to go ahead and send Kathy off with these packages to the post office, and then she's going to head up to Denver. So, oh, you wanted to go over the board real quick. Let's do that real quick before I forget.
Yeah, I almost forgot it because if I didn't do it, then I would forget. So yeah, yesterday I had photographed 40, but I only got 24 listed, but those 24 did get listed and cross-posted. So
Right.
sometimes when I have like a lot to list, I'll list them all just to one, and then the next day spend it all cross-posting. But yeah, I didn't do that yesterday, so I don't know. Depending on what time I get home today, I might try to get the rest of those 40 up, but we'll see. Most likely not, because it never goes how I plan it. So.
Yep. So that is going to do it for today's What's Old video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like I said, Kathy's going to head up to Denver and spend the rest of the day there. But as for now, that's going to do it for us. So I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.